Hello, your family. How are you? I hope all are you fine and good. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate guide to the latest styles and trends shaping the world of women's footwear. Today, we're diving deep into one of the hottest trends of 2025, the stunning stiletto heel mule sandals. Get ready for an exciting journey as we explore the latest designs, styling tips, and why these sandals are a must have for every fashion forward woman this year. Stay tuned. In 2025, stiletto heel mules have evolved to become an epitome of elegance and versatility. From their classic origins as sleek, slip on sandals, they've transformed into statement pieces with bold colors, intricate details, and futuristic designs. Designers are embracing sustainable materials, ergonomic features, and innovative patterns that redefine comfort and luxury. Whether you're dressing up for a formal evening or keeping it chic for brunch, stiletto mules are the perfect choice. What makes 2025's stiletto heel mules stand out? Let's take a closer look. 1. Material revolution. Eco-friendly leather, vegan suede, and recyclable plastics are dominating the market. 2. Heels that stun. Transparent, metallic, and gemstone encrusted heels add a glamorous touch. 3. Comfort comes first. With padded insoles and stable arch support, these mules combine style with functionality. Vivid colors and prints, neon shades, animal prints, and holographic finishes make these stiletto heel mules are incredibly versatile, and here's how you can rock them for various occasions. Casual chic. Pair pastel mules with high-waisted jeans and a crop top for an effortless look. Office ready. Opt for neutral-toned mules with a midi skirt and tailored blazer. Party glam. Go bold with metallic mules and a sequined dress for a night out. Remember, the key is to balance the boldness of your footwear with complementary outfits and accessories. Looking to invest in the best? These are the brands leading the stiletto mule revolution in 2025. 1. Jimmy Choo, combining timeless elegance with modern flair. 2. Balenciaga, pushing boundaries with edgy and experimental designs. 3. Steve Madden, affordable yet trendy options for every occasion. 4. Sustainable stars. Brands like Stella McCartney are championing eco-conscious designs. To keep your stiletto heel mules looking as good as new, clean them regularly with appropriate products for the material. Use heel protectors to prevent wear and tear. Store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Invest in a shoe organizer or dust bags for long-term care. Stiletto heel mule sandals are more than just footwear. They're a statement of confidence, elegance, and individuality. As 2025 unfolds, these shoes are set to dominate fashion runways and wardrobes alike. So, whether you're a minimalist or a maximalist, there's a pair of mules out there waiting to elevate your style. Thank you for tuning in to Trendy Fashion. Don't forget to like